My video is about getting rid of the adware type program that is called Computing Interactive. Computing Interactive is the adware that attacks Mac computers only. This adware is from the adload adware family. This particular adware is spread through integration with some free applications. So in most of the cases, customers download and install it pretty unintentionally. Computing Interactive adware, once installed, starts displaying ads not related to the sites that you visit. These ads are dangerous because if you click on them, you may be forwarded to some other questionable websites, and because of that, your Mac computer may be infected even more considerably. Computing Interactive adware may affect the majority of Mac browsers, including Safari, Google Chrome, and of course Mozilla Firefox. If you have discovered this Computing Interactive adware to be the part of your system, you should go to your applications, find this adware, and move it to the trash. Now, we also recommend you to research your system with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. In fact, there are two versions, one for Mac and the other one is for Windows computers. Download Combo Cleaner, install the application. It will first of all update its anti-malware database. Click on Start Combo Scan. The program is in the trial mode initially, but there are certain free features, for instance, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The program will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scanning. But the scanning itself might take several minutes, depending on how infected your computer is and depending on how many system drives or regular drives you are going to scan with Combo Cleaner. So at the end of the scan, Combo Cleaner will give you the report mentioning all the threats that were revealed during the scan. You'll be able to know their exact location, and we strongly advise upgrading to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically. And this way, your files and your Mac computer in general will always be protected in the future.